The SABER 150 lumen inspection Penlight includes a headband and a ball cap clip. The main LED has two settings for varied brightness and run times. 75 lumens on low and 150 lumens on the high setting. It also includes a red light feature for hunting, caution or SOS. The built-in magnetic clip rotates 360 degrees for multiple mounting options. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery guarantees longer life and consistent power. There is an additional LED on the end that offers a 150 lumen spotlight function. Includes USB Type-C charging cord and is IK7 rated for mechanical impact protection. Please visit atdtools.com for more information on this product, or to see the full line of SABER lighting.